Alright, so now we look at a couple of examples where we find the greatest common divisor of two integers. In the first example, we have 48 and 72 as our integers, which are obviously not 0. So 48 and 72 are playing the roles of A and B respectively. And we can try to find their factors, and then we will see that what is the largest factor which is common between the two, and that we will decide as the greatest common divisor of the two integers 48 and 72. So let's look at their divisors in detail. For example, we can see that 48 has following as its factors. 1 and 48 together multiplied give us 48. 2 and 24 form a pair of factors because when you multiply them we get 48 again. 3 and 16 is another pair of factors. 4 and 12 form another pair of factors for 48. 5 is not a factor, so we move on to 6, and 6 times 8 gives us 48. So these are basically all the factors of 48. Okay. Similarly, we can find the factors of 72. Okay, so maybe we can choose a different color for the factors of 72. Let's see. So again, 1 and 72 are the factors of 72, and 2 and 36, 3 and 24 multiplied together give us 72, and 4 and 18 give us 72. Then you have 6 and 12, we have 8 and 9. So these are all the factors of 72, and we see that many factors are common. Okay, for example, we can see that 1 is common as a factor between the two. 2 is a common factor. 3 is a common factor. 4 is a common factor. 6 and 8 are common factors. Then we have 12 as a common factor between the two integers, and 24 is the largest common factor. Okay, so in this case we see that 12 is dividing 48, and 24 divides 48, and 24 also divides 72. It's the largest such integer. So the GCD of 48 and 72 is 24.